The state government has sacked the entire board of Ambulance Victoria, citing serious misgivings about its financial and operational performance. The service has long failed to meet its response time targets, but the Health Minister denies he's made the board a scapegoat. Frances Bell reports.
Out with the old.
We need to start afresh. We need to start with a new broom. We need to ensure that there is a whole new board.
The boardroom purge is to arrest what the Health Minister describes as a serious decline in ambulance services. An Auditor General's report last year highlighted worsening response times to emergencies and poor staff morale. David Davis blames Labor for mismanaging the 2008 merger of metropolitan and rural ambulance services, but denies he's made the board a scapegoat.
It was a good group of people who tried to do their very best in difficult circumstances.
Well, it seems to me an elaborate case of this government trying to absolve itself of responsibility by when it hasn't put in additional resources.
The new board starts work immediately with the task of managing increasing demand for emergency services.
How to respond to that with limited resources is the challenge for the whole system.
While the government sees the clean sweep of the board as a major step towards meeting its election promise to fix ambulance services, it's finding that fixing a pay deal for the state's public sector workers is proving much more problematic. The public sector union says pay talks have broken down and industrial action is now likely, targeting prisons, child protection services and courts.
This is a workforce that covers 450 occupations, 28 agencies. It goes to the core and the heart of government administration.
The Premier Ted Baillieu is refusing to be drawn on the threat.
I'm not going to comment, I'm not going to give a running commentary on any particular EBA.
But with the police union campaign already underway, pay disputes are a growing problem for the government. Frances Bell, ABC News, Melbourne.